Hello everyone, it's Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Thank you so much for joining us again on another fabulous Las Vegas home tour. Today we're going to explore a model home built by TriPoint in the community of Overlook, and we are over here in Summerlin. So this house right here is 2,821 square feet. It's got some really cool features, 3 bedrooms, an office, an awesome great room, living room area, and this one's decked out with a sweet backyard. So let's, of course, thanks so much for joining us. Please subscribe, please like, we'll keep firing out these videos. If you ever have any questions, just give us a call, 702-493-1934. You can also email me, Jake at jbrelv.com. Cool glass pivot door we're gonna walk through right here. Or you can visit our website, jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. So, thanks so much, and here we are. So we walk right into the house, and we're gonna get to this awesome kitchen area here in just a minute. Before we do that, this is what would be the office. Currently configured as a sitting room. Got some nice stonework back there. Got a really cool linear window up there, natural light, big old window right there. Like how it's designed. And right here, this is cool. So they kind of put a beam in here. It looks like a metal beam you'd find on a skyscraper or a building, kind of little throwback to the industrial age. Got a couple cool lights here as we walk in. And off to my left is where we're gonna have these secondary bedrooms, bedroom 2 and 3, and also their shared bathroom. So here's the bathroom. Got some nice tile work, pretty standard. You can see it looks very similar to most of these homes. 2 sinks, quartz countertops, undermount lit or undermounted sinks, big old bay mirror, and of course you have a full bathroom shower tub combo there, kind of a little throwback too with the subway looking tiles back there. And we're gonna pop here into the bedroom. So this bedroom's cool. Take a look at this paint stripe, right? So all that is paint. But what it gives you is it gives you like dimension, depth, almost kind of looks 3D. So that's a really inexpensive way to do something to a bedroom in your current house or your future house, and just to make it look a lot different. Got walk-in closets, pretty standard. Really nice man-made flooring here. And the other bedroom, we got some wallpaper, a little bit of woodwork down the center. So again, just kind of giving it some depth, dimension, another walk-in closet. All right, bedrooms are pretty much standard, and there's a shared linen closet right there in the middle too. So coming out here, we're gonna go to the laundry room actually. And on our way to the laundry room, you can see off the living room right here, we do have a wet bar area. Got a wine fridge, of course you got some liquor on the wall, got a sink, wet sink. Some cool lights up there on top, some nice backsplash. So this could be a lot of different features. This is just how this model home is designed. All right, so right here we have the laundry room, and the laundry room leads directly into the primary bedroom closet. So that's pretty cool. Coming here, it's a nice size. You got your attic access to the roof right there. Got some cabinets in the back. You have a wet sink in this one, and you got your stackables right there. So here is one of the primary closets, because there's 2 in this house. There's this one, that's the bathroom straight ahead. And then there's this one. It's a little bit bigger, a little slightly more fancied up, but not too crazy. Leads us to the primary bathroom. So we have a really nice big walk-in shower over here. I do like the step on the side. Cool tile. Panning around. Got 2 sinks that are separate, so they're not right next to each other. They're both the same. Got this gray quartz countertop, these European style finish cabinets. These cool lights, pendant lights coming down from the ceiling. And I like this framed out, try to get in here. So this metal, it's kind of like I said, it's all kind of like throwback, kind of industrial. Me, of course. And you got this on both of these. So just a kind of a cool design. Got this big vertical window which leads out to the patio area. And then off to the right here is the primary bedroom. Kind of got a vaulted ceiling there, as you can see. So it slopes up from right to left. Gives you a little more air volume, a little more capacity in the room. Got a nice big slider that leads right out to this jacuzzi. So if you want to go take a dip at night, there you go. Some crazy, crazy city views. Nice cool window. Got some good music jamming. And you know, you'll see all this in a lot of model homes. You just got a little bit of wood trim. Like these are what, like 1 by 1.5 inch, 1 by 1.5 inch, just little dowelings. You can get at Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever. tack them on, measure them out, throw some paint, and suddenly you have like a designer accent wall. So just a thought, can be done in lots of homes. DIY it, not too bad. All right, we're gonna swing out into the living room here. And I do wanna point out the ceiling here. So that's just the way the drywall's been cut and made. These lights run down the center of it. Kind of give the look of like a big old beam up there, but they're not beams, they're just drywall. But again, gives you depth, gives you dimension to the room. Got some nice stonework back there. And then of course you can see the living room, how it goes over to that wet bar area. And we're gonna come over here and look at the kitchen. And look at that big old drop down tray ceiling right there. It's got some lighting up top, some illumination there. It's got your can lights in it. It's got the big old chef style hood over there. Really cool center island here that's L-shaped, these waterfall edges. Like I said, quartz countertops, same cabinets throughout the house. These are all monogram appliances, so you got a nice built-in fridge. Got your oven and microwave right there. You got a pantry, nice sized pantry. And then back here you got two little quasi-floating shelves, some more counter space. Big old 6-burner cooktop with a skillet there on the right side. You know what I like too is you're starting to see this a lot more. These are kind of like brass or gold looking parts, appendages to these cooktops. Just gives it a really neat look. So kind of scanning around here, looking at the rest of the house. And of course you got a dining room over here to the left. Some really cool funky lights coming down. Go with our funky music. A lot of windows, a couple sliders that lead out into the backyard. These ones just happen to be locked, but we'll take a peek at this backyard from here. Got a cool barbecue area covered. Really neat looking pool, just some sick views of the Las Vegas Strip all down there. So whoever ends up buying this house can have some killer parties, some killer entertainment with friends. So, and then we'll just take one more peek at the other slider, kind of get a rest of the backyard view. Nice big covered patio. And then also you got these more windows coming in. So yeah, so that pretty much does it for this house. Thanks again so much for joining us. Please like, subscribe. We will continue to produce these videos, put them out for your enjoyment, for your education. If you ever have any questions, just give us a call, 702-493-1934. That's my personal cell. You can also text me. Or email me, jake@jbrelv.com. Or if you want a free home evaluation or just explore the market on your own, hit up our website, jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.